Hello watch fans and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. Today we'll be looking at this tiny vintage Disney Seiko watch which features Mickey Mouse on the dial. So we have a small case, a silver tone stainless steel case with also a stainless steel back. We have a blue dial, Mickey Mouse here in silver tone on the dial. At 3 o'clock we have the watch crown, and at 2 o'clock we have the button for the musical function. Here on the back we can see that it is made by Seiko Marketing International. This is a subsidiary of Seiko, so you still get that Seiko quality. The movements, the musical function are all made in their Seiko factories. And then we can also see that the song is Mickey Mouse March. And now let's hear how the song plays. So that was the song, guys. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to give it a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, as we'll be posting more musical watches, vintage watches, and so on. Also, if you're interested in buying this watch or other vintage watches, please make sure to check out the link in the description below, or go to vintageradar.com, where you can find thousands of vintage pieces for sale. Thank you guys, and see you next time.